So many flies around my bike. Hey, Mr. Fly.
Hello.
I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh God, I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord, oh Lord. Take it all from me, you know just what I want.
Hello.
It's hard to leave this private show. Let me see it, take it off. Oh, let me see it, take it off.
Look at me. Come give me attention. Woohoo! Wee oo, wee oo, wee oo, wee oo, wee oo, wee oo. Hopefully my camera is okay.
You wet?
Little. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Get in there. This is so hard to tie this chin strap with my gloves on. Oh, I'm almost there. Yes, got it. Me neither. I was trying to get my helmet latched. He didn't do the same thing. Or he did the same thing, whatever, however you want to say it. He's getting his chin strap tied and putting his gloves on. He's not very good at doing the chin strap. It takes him a while. You done? God, finally. Roll out. Wild hogs, roll out. Let's ride. There's a Mr. State Trooper. Say, son, why was you speeding on the freeway there? Well, sir, to be completely honest with you, 'cause I wanted to. God, guys, I'm so happy. My dad finally has figured out the biker wave. My dad did the peace sign downward thing. I was like, yes, he's finally one of us. I don't know, man. That made my day. First video ever on the new bike. I am so excited. Oh, and yes, what is this thing between my legs right now? This, Hunter Honda fans, is my new motorcycle. I know y'all are freaking out right now. Y'all probably think this is a joke, but no, this is completely honest. This is my new Triumph 2014 Speedmaster. It is mine. It's in my name. This is my bike. Yes, I still have my street bike. Oh, yeah, baby. I got the power. Whoa. What up, guys? Hunter Honda here, and y'all had a couple of questions that I figured I'd go ahead and answer for you. One of the questions was, where do you get your meme / picture things from? The one that you see on my face right now, that's just Google. That's the obvious what meme. That's what I like to use, and I always put an owl sound behind it. That's one of my favorite things to use, but I've recently found a new one, and it's this one. Now, this one is totally different. No one in the world has this image except for me. This is a picture that I found online for my old school I used to go to, and it was some like track meet or something, some random picture, and I found this dude in the background, and it is priceless. So I like to use this guy as well. So that's my answer to that question. Also, another question. What type of music do I listen to? What type of music do I like? I listen to tons of music. I like songs like this. And I also like songs like this. I mean, I have a wide range of music. I like everything. So you'll hear a bunch of my videos, and apparently y'all love my music that I put in there. So obviously I'm doing something right. So anyway, guys, that's it for today. Ask me more questions, and I'll include it in the videos. Peace.
All right, guys, it's starting to get a little dark out here, and there's a bunch of bugs flying and hit me in the face and stuff. So I'm gonna call it quits for tonight. I'm going to see my girlfriend right now, so I will see y'all later, guys. Love y'all just as much as I love myself and my new bike. Thank you for the support, guys, and I will see y'all next time. Peace.
Kitty, kitty. Good girl.